Sakura. Super nice. We're just gonna take some. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, mabilis ang intro na lang kasi late na naman ako nagising. Ate mo girl, super late na naman as usual kasi talaga namang ang hair and makeup ko, it takes me a lot of time to prepare and everything. So, right now, we're gonna catch the train and shuttle bus to the airport here in Narita kasi we're going to Tokyo for today's vlog kasi it's cherry blossom right now. It's April 6th right now here in Japan, and right now I'm currently here in Narita, so it's gonna be a 2-hour travel to Tokyo. So samahan niyo ko guys kung ano ba mga mangyayari today, and it's my first time experiencing cherry blossom or sakura as they say it, and it's one of a childhood dream kasi diba ang dami-daming tao na pumupunta here in Japan on sakura season just to see the cherry blossom. So I'm really blessed and happy na I'm here right now on its full bloom. As you can see, sa labas ko merong iilan dito sa may hotel namin na nag-bloom na sakura, but it's very less dito sa area ko right now. So we're going in Tokyo kasi doon madaming nakatanim na cherry blossom, and right now it's currently 6 a.m. We're running late and very early right now kasi we want to go as early as possible kasi super overcrowded daw kapag cherry blossom season here in Japan. So as much as possible, we want to take good photos na wala pang tao. So right now, we're headed to Shibuya and also to the Meguro River. Correct me if I'm wrong. Basta ilalagay ko na lang dito yung descriptions na mga pupuntahan natin later on.
On board the train, please push the emergency. 本次列车是开往京城胜野的 Skyliner， 中途停靠。
So currently, we're here sa Skyliner train which is going straight na sa Tokyo, and actually from Narita Airport tayo. But right now, we're already here in Tokyo. It took me about an hour to reach here. And then, for the last station, dun tayo bababa. But right now, we're here in Nippon. But we're going down sa Keisai Ueno. It's less hassle. Sobrang, for me, affordable siya. It's around 1,600 pesos balikan na from Narita going to Tokyo, and then Tokyo to Narita. So, for me, super worth it na nung 1,600 for the less hassle kasi for me na nagta-travel here in Japan, it's very hard for me kasi sobrang confusing ng trend dito. If nakapunta na kayo dito, sobrang nakakalito siya as in. Pero ngayon, parang mas naging confident na ako kasi sobrang dali lang pala niya. So next time, I'd probably go alone kasi right now, I'm with my crew friends, mga cabin crew friends. So, medyo nahihiya pa ang person mag-vlog. So, ayan, maybe next time I'll go out alone when I have the chance here in Japan. So, sobrang hassle-free. I also booked it from Klook. So, ayan, you can purchase the voucher in Klook. Yung ticket niya, sobrang dali niyang mag-book from Narita Airport. Kasi if dun kayo nagsistay malapit doon, I recommend na na lang kayo, Skyliner train. So, ito yung pinurchase ko na voucher. So, this is how it looks like. It's the Kaisai Skyliner train to Tokyo from Narita. So, it's 1,600 pesos. Picturean ko na lang or i-link down ko below right here kung paano ko siya nabili. We're now here in Meguro River. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, super daming cherry blossom. OMG! Girl, ano kasi so nice. Ayan, so as you can see, full bloom na talaga yung mga sakura. Super nice. We're just gonna take some photos here. And this is my outfit for today. Color pink siya. Na dress. Para terno siya with the sakura.
Pag malayo yun nasa background. Hi.
We're having a picture sesh here in Meguro River. How is it, Pansit? Did you like the Meguro River?
Yes, super nice. So pretty. Yepo.
Ano yun? Japanese?
Ano yun? Korean. Ibig sabihin maganda.
Kaya nga naiba na.
Ano ba sa Japanese?
Yep. Kawaii?
Cute yun eh.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam yung maganda yung Japanese. Pero super nice here. Really recommend na pumunta kayo here in Meguro River in Japan. So a few stations lang siya away from Shibuya. And this is how it looks like kapag pumunta kayo ng early morning. So we're here around 9 AM to 10 AM. So kung makikita nyo, wala talagang masyadong tao. And it's really perfect na pumunta dito as early as you can. So you can take good photos without people na magpo-photo bomber. Okay, yung punta natin, no?
Okay na to.
Feeling ko mamaya hapon super crowded na dito.
Gusto mo ng ganda?
Ano?
Yung gano'ng video.
Hello! Yeah, super. Super!
Super!
First time ko mag-i-Ichiran ramen. Sabi ko sa'yo, sis eh. Sis, I told you so. Hawa naman dito. occupied. Okay, wala na. Sabihin na din sa bata, bilis na. Yay, it's our turn. Thank you. Thank you. First time trying Ichiran. Ichiran ramen. Ang sarap. Sobrang tuos na ako pero ang sarap. Perfect pang may sakit. Wala, ang sarap ng sabaw. Very creamy. So right now we're gonna try the cheese coin. Ayan. Super yummy. Craving satisfied. So, hindi ko na na-videohan. Ano ba yan? Wala na talaga akong boses dahil sa lamig dito in Japan. So, kung makita nyo, ang hirap na talaga magsalita for me. Pero hindi ko na na-videohan guys yung pagkain ko ng gyoza. Nag-order ako ng steamed gyoza dun sa mall. Kasi, yun na lang talaga yung pwede kong i-take away na mabilis. And, para makauwi na ako agad. Kasi, paalis na din talaga ako in an hour. So, ngayon, naubos ko na siya. Then, yung half of this, binabaon ko sa flight para may pagkain pa ako later. Para hindi tayo kakain ng airplane food. And then, kainin ko lang yung favorite ko from 7-Eleven. Palaging out of stock to. Especially kapag hapon or gabi na. So, kung gusto niyo siyang matry, dapat very early kayo pumunta ng 7-Eleven. Kasi usually, sa umaga lang siya available. Kasi talagang sobrang best seller nila tong tinapay na to, yung strawberry sandwich in particular. Kaya, kung gusto niyo siya matry, agahan yung punta niyo ng 7-Eleven kasi most of the time, ayan, super sarap. Most of the time, hindi na siya available kapag hapon. Sarap. So, this one is the strawberries and cream. Kung mahilig din kayo sa matamis na tulad ko, magugustuhan nito. So guys, hindi na pala ako nakapag Donkey Haul or Don Quixote Haul kasi sobrang nagmamadali na ako. So baka pag uwi ko na lang, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili kong skincare. As in, sobrang dami guys. As in, feeling ko naka almost 10,000 pesos ako sa skincare at saka sa snacks. Kung talaga kagaya ko kayo, mababaliw kayo dito sa Japan. I swear. Sobrang worth it lahat. Tapos, ang mura. Ang dami mo nang mabibili sa 10K mo. Tapos, ang sasarap pa. Especially yung snacks nila and yung mga ramen. Bumili din ako ng soy sauce. Ang dami ko talagang binili. Soy sauce, panluto, salt and pepper. Yung mga seasoning nila dito sobrang sarap. So, kumuha din ako. Sarap na fresh strawberries, guys. Sarap. Sobrang gutom na talaga ako. Kasi 2 PM na. Tapos ngayon lang ako kumain. Imagine. And I'm excited to go home. Para makapagpahinga na rin kasi ang dami kong ginawa dito sa Japan.